So at Rotor Live last weekend, we got to see some unbelievable flying, and I thought what we'd do is we would have a look at one of the maneuvers. So this maneuver was flown by Jan Niklas Pump, and it worked really well with music, and it's not that difficult to learn. So let's have a look. Now, when I asked him about it, he said it wasn't his maneuver. It definitely been used in competition before. In fact, we've got a version by CD in this maneuver in Dubai 2023. So really nice. You've got to admit, that looks really slick. Now, we don't even think it has a name yet, so we think a good name is perhaps the rotating seesaw. And you'll see when we get to the sim, effectively it's just a nose up and down seesaw combined with sticks apart, sticks left, which is something that we saw in the Tricky Sticks video, which I'll link to up here. But if we have one more look at Jan flying it, and then we'll hit the simulator, and then we'll go through everything you need to know to get this maneuver working. Now, if you remember from the Tricks with Sticks episode, we would fly into a nose up position and then move sticks apart, and you would get this little funnel. And then the other one we would do is we would fly backwards, let it stop in the nose down, and then go sticks left. Okay, and you can see I've got mode 2 in the middle and I've got mode 1 on the left there. Now, for this maneuver, those are the only two real positions. Nose up, sticks apart, and then nose down, sticks left. And that's really it. So we'll fly along, nose up, we'll do a half funnel, nose down, sticks left, nose up, sticks right. So it's just a half funnel each time. Half, 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 and a half. And if we do that with sticks, so we're going to go nose up, sticks apart, nose down, sticks left, nose up, sticks apart, nose down, sticks left. It's actually not difficult at all. In fact, we'll try and speed this up a bit. If you watch that Tricks with Sticks episode, that'll really help. And then once you get that, you can probably do things like circuits. It's actually quite tricky. Okay, it's quite nice. Now you can probably do other variations as well. I think I just kind of gravitated towards that sticks apart and sticks left, but you can probably do sticks together. Right, so yeah, so that works. So nose up, sticks together, nose down, sticks right, nose up, sticks together. Let's try it from this side. Together, right, together, right. So that combination works. Now I guess potentially you could also try inverted. So if we go nose up inverted, sticks apart, right, now you can see that's not correct. So instead of sticks apart, we can go either sticks left or right. So we'll do the same. Nose up, sticks left, nose down, sticks apart. So it's just a case of finding that combination of what works. But the upright one is really nice. Yeah, seems to work really well. And as you saw in CD and Jan's video, if you can get it to work to a nice piece of music, seems to go really, really well. Let's try some inverted ones again. We said, what did we say? Tail up, sticks apart, nose up, sticks left. And this seems like a fairly safe maneuver as well, so you could probably get away with practicing this at the field. You can see if you go the wrong direction, so if we go nose up and then we go sticks left, ooh, oh, maybe it's not that safe after all. Okay. If you do it at a reasonable height, yeah, you get a sort of a corkscrew, don't you? So you need to be ready for that. But if you do get it right, sticks apart, oops, sorry. Sticks apart, half, sticks left. And you're just looking for that half funnel. Very nice maneuver. I like that one. So I guess let's go and do it at the field. It's not a bad day to be flying. We've got the wind from the right, and you can see I'm struggling a bit here. As I turn the model, it wants to rise up or drop down. And then when I go with the wind, it's not as much of a struggle, so it's not bouncing up or down, but it is drifting away. So here, to try and control the height and the movement, we're just playing with the collective a bit more. You can see it's a little bit smoother. It's not quite as snappy as the pros, but I'm still getting used to the maneuver. And then we'll do a little downwind one again. So it definitely doesn't bounce around as much this way. And this is exactly the same as we do on the sim. So nose up, sticks apart, nose down, sticks left. And let's try the inverted one. Keep it a little bit safer. So we go tail up, sticks left, nose up, sticks apart. Not bad, quite like it. I think once I get used to the stick movements, I can definitely make it a lot more snappier. And this is a bit of a smoother version. So, a really good maneuver. It looks nice, you can vary the pace, so it works well with different kinds of music. Thanks so much to Jan for answering my questions, and I hope you find this a really easy maneuver to learn. Let me know if there's anything else from ROTOR Live that you want me to break down and I'll have a look at it, and let me know how this one goes. Until next time.